Caroline Flack looked stunning in a yellow spotty playsuit for the launch of Love Island 2018, Series 4. Caroline, 38, who is engaged to Andrew Brady, made her first appearance on the hit ITV2 dating show as she entered the Love Island villa for the contestants' first coupling. And while the Love Island contestants' swimsuits attempted to steal the show in the episode preview, it was Caroline's look which is causing the most fuss. The host opted for a yellow spotty playsuit, which complemented the star's flawless tan and showed off her toe pins. Caroline kept her hair in loose waves, her makeup simple and accessorized the look with a pair of heels. The summary piece is a customized item by designer Alice McCall. The playsuit is in fact a jumpsuit, which Caroline had taken up for the show. Caroline's stylist Nisha Grewal told OK! Online, "This is by Alice McCall. I customized the look, it used to be long." Available to buy from Oxygen Boutique. The jumpsuit has the same beautiful design as the playsuit, but with long flared legs. The item is currently available in sizes 4, 6 and 8 for £450. Love Island starts at 9 p.m. on ITV2.